Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you use Cursor AI platform with the WordPress. So this one is my demo website. Now here I can go and type Cursor AI, then open this website. After that, click here get started. You can also go and then click here pricing, then scroll down. So these are the different packages. After that, click here this one, then scroll down and then click here this button. So after that, now I have downloaded and installed this one. Now I can open this application. Now we need to create a free account. After that, just you can see login and sign up. So click here sign up button, click here continue button. Okay, then click here skip for now. Then click here continue button. Then select this one. Then again. Okay, that's done. Now let me go back and after that click here login button. Then yes, login. Okay, now I'm logged in. So now what is the next step? Just you need to go and get a plugin. This one is the plugin that you can easily get from this website. Just you need to go and click here this button. Okay, so let me show you. I have the plugin here in downloads folder. Let me select this one, downloads, then scroll down. This one is the plugin. Now I can add it in the website. So now I need to go here and log in into the website. Okay, this one is the plugin. Make sure that you have installed this plugin. So after that, click here configuration, then turn on AI abilities, then click save settings, then scroll down. After that, just you need to generate the application password. So here I can give a name, then click here, scroll down. So this one is the application password. Then after that you can select one of the application. Let me select this one, then scroll down, select this one, manual setup. Now you can copy this code and then go back this one, add the code here. After that, click here three dots, then click save file. Okay, now it is verifying the plugin. After that, click here run button, then again. Okay, that's done. Now here I can say it. So if I go back and then go to plugins, now let me say I want to install a new plugin. Install Yoast SEO plugin. Then click run button. Here you can see plugin is installed and activated. Now let me go back. Okay, that's great. Yoast SEO is installed. On the left side you can see this one. Then go to plugins. Yes, the plugin is here. Now let me go to blog post. Here I can say create Yoast SEO friendly blog post, 800 words about how to start YouTube automation. After that, press enter. Then click here run button. Now let me go back and check the blog post. Okay, on the top, so here you can see blog post is published. Now let me go back and reload the plugin. Here you can see this one is the blog post. I can open it, then scroll down. So that looks great.